Hello friends, Bazad here from Wonder Looper, and I'm going to give you all the latest updates with what's going on here in Wonder Looper land. But first, I just wanted to get your opinion on something because I've got a new look today. Hair down and a little bit more trimmed. I had to do a little something today because I accidentally trimmed my beard and I had to even it all out. So I'm trying to balance things out here with the hair down, trimmed. Usually it's like beard, hair up. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I'm not so comfortable yet, but there you go. Anyways, real update for today is that a lot more spring stuff is in the air. In fact, if you visit us here in the showroom, you'll notice that the spring collection is back because a lot of these spring items were they were out at the photo studio and we just got them back, which means the photos are now live on the website. So the Spring Summer 26 collection is something you can check out on the website now. So if you want to see everything, it's here. I've got the monitor here neatly set up. So you can see that things like the Soothing Gold Tsuruyami t-shirts are up there. Same thing with the Super Looper French Terry. So you can just browse through the website. A couple things to note is, like, say, for example, you check that one out, the pullover hoodie and the Super Looper. The photos are going to come. It just takes a second here to load. And then, of course, you've got the product description here. So all that information. But if it's a new item, you're going to notice that there is no measurement chart yet. That is until the product arrives in our warehouse. So we don't do the measurements on products that haven't arrived because we take the measurements as they come in from production. That way, what you get is what we measure. So, we try to make sure that things are accurate that way. So in that respect, like Soothing Gold, that has arrived in our warehouse. And if you click on it, you can see that, you have all the photos, of course. But anyway, that, again, takes a second to load. But you will see that the measurement charts are there, so you can review those right now. And we also have the diagrams showing you exactly how we measure. So if you are interested in some of these items, we'll kind of keep you posted through these videos and stuff as stuff arrives in the warehouse. Just so you know, Soothing Gold t-shirts, those are going to release on Sunday, March 1st on our website. It'll be at 8 p.m. Eastern. 8 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be a Monday morning for us here in Japan on the 2nd, March 2nd, but 8 p.m. Eastern on Sunday, March 1st, we're going to release these. So because we have the stock, we're able to get the charts up on the website. And if you are looking for them, please do yourself a favor. Refer to those measurement charts. You might have bought a t-shirt from us before. Different fits, not so much different fits, but different fabrics, they sort of feel and move a little bit differently. So there's always a little bit of variation here and there. Take the time, take the t-shirt that you like, measure it, follow our diagram, and then compare it to the charts to make sure you get the right size. So anyhow, I just want to let you guys know that all that good stuff is now on the website. So you can definitely check it out and peruse the new collection, and we'll keep you posted as things start to come in.
Hey everyone, Wyatt here. It's still pretty chilly in Yokohama, Japan, so I'm gonna pick up a double heavyweight hoodie. I'm wearing Dune right now, but I'm also considering Sumi and Sage. So I like Sumi because it's black. I can wear it with anything, but the Sage green is just so nice, and it's not coming back next season. I just got word of that like 2 minutes ago. And Dune is really nice because I can pair with my boots, just, an earthy brown color. So, yeah, I'm kind of bouncing my head off the walls here. So let me know what y'all think.
Hey everybody, Risa here. So some of you might have noticed that there is something missing from the new Spring Summer 26 collection on the website, and that is the new colors of Ultimate P Matsuruyami t-shirt. So khaki and ikru. These are the two new colors that's joining the team of Ultimate P Matsuruyami t-shirts. And the reason why we're missing the product pages as of now is because we changed the tags on these items. So here is the new tag. It is a little bit more luxurious looking and it's smaller, and it also has the word pre-shrunk on it up here. So That means that all of the Ultimate P Matsuriami t-shirts going forward, it's going to be pre-shrunk. It's going to be pre-washed. So you won't have to worry too much about shrinkage on the first wash or anything like that. So that's the same for obviously khaki, ikru, and white and black too. So they all share this tag. And just the insider information, we're actually adding navy for the fall winter 26 collection.
Hey everybody, I've got a little movie recommendation for you guys for this weekend, and that is 1984's Streets of Fire, a fantastic film. It's a classic gotta save the girl movie. So, you gotta rescue your girlfriend, and it's got a lot of great action. And, I always like to talk about the outfits, a lot of rugged wear, there's a lot of motorcycles, and of course the soundtrack is fantastic. It's one that you don't want to miss. I think a lot of people do tend to miss it. And if you're my age, I'm just a little over 40, this was maybe a little before our time, so maybe it was a little bit of an easier one to miss, but we probably all played the game Streets of Rage on the Sega Genesis, and I think that game heavily is inspired by this movie. So check it out, Streets of Fire 1984. It's my favorite runtime at 93 minutes, just over 90, so an easy one to watch. So check it out, Streets of Fire. Hey everybody, it is Fit Check time today, and it is a springy day here in Japan. Despite it still being February, it's beautiful blue skies and warm temperatures, so I thought I'd put on a little bit more of a spring-themed outfit with an all-blue theme. Let's break down the fit. Up top, I've got my Wonder Looper Yak Blend knit cap, and that's keeping me nice and warm. I've got it paired up with some thin-rimmed glasses here, and on my top layer, I have this vintage French workwear style jacket and this beautiful herringbone. It has a lot of beautiful patchwork and repair to it. I picked this one up at the vintage shop, so I really like it. And another vintage piece is my vintage Sears selvage shirt. Nice oversized shirt, very nice for sort of these in-between temperatures. And then underneath, as my base layer, I have the new Soothing Gold Suriyami t-shirt in ecru, so a nice warm tone there. On the bottom, I've got these linen indigo dyed pants, and they've got like this beautiful patchwork with it as well. A lot of work involved with that, and I think it just pairs up really nicely with the jacket and the vintage shirt. And then finally, on the feet, I've got these Yuketen main guide boots, a nice chunky boot with a low cut, and I've got some Wonder Looper chunky knit socks to go with that as well. So a lot of different shades of blue, if you will. And then I also have a couple more blue things to show off. I've got my Kurono Tokyo blue faced watch here as well. Well, I also have a denim bag here. This is just a nice blue worked in denim bag that I've had for well over a decade, and it's been serving me well and nice and faded. It goes with the whole thing, but this is the one. This is the nerdy detail. So I've got my headphones here in the pocket, and then of course, they're beige, but the ear tips blue, all blue today. So I wanted to keep that theme going, and of course, you can't have just an all blue outfit for yourself. You have to match with your wife. So Risa, you're up next with your outfit.
Hey everybody, Risa here for the Fit Check. I'm going to start from the top. It is a Wonder Looper Yak knit cap. I'm just matching with Bazad today. So on the top layer, I'm wearing Rocky Mountain featherbed down vest. Underneath that, I'm wearing the blue workwear jacket. So actually, I was wearing all blue yesterday too. So I'm kind of mixing in a little bit of non-blue, like more neutral colors in today, still being blue. So underneath that, I have my double heavyweight French terry in crew neck in heather gray. And underneath that, I actually have the Soothing Gold white t-shirt as well. So I'm kind of matching Bazad again here. And on the bottom, I'm wearing the Naked and Famous classic 11-ounce selvage jeans. I've been wearing this for, I would say, about like a decade already. And then on my feet, I have the Yuketen loafers, very nice grainy brown leather. And I'm matching that up with my Wonder Looper Fox Fiber low gauge socks. And as a bag, I am carrying my favorite bag of all time, Porter Yoshida kaban. It's a kakishibu dyed nylon bag. So yeah, and what do you think? Are we matching today with Bazad? I think we're pretty matchy today.
I think we did a pretty good job here. You know, we'd like to do the couples matching, and I think in a lot of cases, buying the exact same piece, whether it's the socks or the cap, you know, even if it's not a completely full outfit, even if you can coordinate a little bit, it really sort of, you know, binds you together that way.
Right. We
Right.
bought these vintage blue jackets together, and they don't match completely, but they match in style.
Yeah,
so,
that's
yeah,
it.
it's
So
perfect.
there you go. Let us know what you think. Are you going to match with your significant other as well? I hope you do. We really encourage it. And, you know, we're both wearing Yuketen boots today as well.
Mhm.
And we actually visited our friend Yuki here in Tokyo while he was doing his showroom. So let's go to that. Hey, everybody. I'm here with my good friend, Mr. Yuki.
Hey, baby.
There we
What's
go.
up?
And
buddy?
we're here at his showroom here in Tokyo. He's doing his fall winter 26 exhibition. We had to check it out. Of course, I've featured his shoes many times on the channel. You know, I love them, so I had to come and see them. But of course, you've got an incredible outfit on today, and I wanted you to break down the fit for everyone.
Okay. Well, thank you, brother, man. So, I got a Chamuro, maybe 15 years old hoodie, merino sweater, then new Kuruane, monetary down vest. Yeah, it's cool, right?
I think so. And he's got this beautiful leather detail here as well.
Yeah, this is a deer skin. Yeah. At the real, we got the hunter kill deer in Canada, and he eat it. He made a sausage, and we got skin. My friend make this T-shirt in Northern California. She's a mother, and this is like a very nice design. And these yeah, you know, I like real Native American jewelries. These are from real turquoise, real Native American stuff from my friend Vicky. So this pants is the crazy patchwork. This is a new collection for next season. Can you see? Really, really small patchwork. And shoes are Yuketen, friendly loafer. Yeah. The Goodwill loafer is very, very good. Very nice. Comfortable.
So we are here at the World of Porters Mall, which is just a few minutes walk away from Wonder Looper HQ, and it's just a good place to go. If you ever come and visit us, you want to do something in Yokohama, come and check out the mall because they have this gacha park. Basically, there's over 2,000 gacha machines, so all these little toys that you can get out of these little vending machines, and I happened to find one that I really want to try out. It's this Godzilla one, and I'm really hoping I either get Jet Jaguar over here or this lazy Godzilla. So let's try our luck and see how it goes. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and twist. All right, let's see if I'm lucky today. It's a mystery ball. Let's try it out. Come on. Oh, okay, we got little Ghidorah. We didn't get the one I wanted, but hey, it's still pretty cool. There you go. It's gonna sit on my desk for a little while.
Okay, so I think I found one that I want to put my money into. This is Kurohige Kiki, but it's a game where you like put like the knife in these like holes, and then like if the guy jumps out from the middle, then you lose. That kind of a game, and I think it's a miniature version of that. So I'm gonna put 300 yen to get. Hopefully, I want to get this original one. We'll see what happens. All right. I feel like I got the one that I wanted. It's either this one or this one, 2011 or 1975. Oh, okay. Yes, I think I got the original 1975 version of this little game. So we're gonna play with that later. game. I'm gonna set this little guy up in here. Wait. And then we just have to each take turns to put knife into the holes. Whichever hole that you want. No, you start.
Ladies first.
All right.
Go
hold on.
for it.
Gonna go with this one. All right, good. Okay, my turn. Woo! Woo! All right, he lost.